most. Most. And what is important is emotional stability. It means that you know yourself, you know who you are, and you can hold on to your own emotion. If ever you have the same problem with them, you can still separate or isolate yourself from the issue of the other because the impact is different. Even if you have the same experience, the impact on you will be different because of your own orientation. Yun, dito mo siguro siguro. Wala kang, feel ko lang ha, feel ko hindi ba rin stabilize sa kanyang emotion. Kailangan yun pag maging responsible. Basta hay, tinawagan ka kape. Tinada mo siya sa walang siya bisita yun, kung sikat ang pagkape. Ay, nabili ka ng satan, wala mo ka na rin, pagkape natin. Hindi mo sa dyan ba? Nagpagatan ng Netflix, si stated na 6 pesos. Duwa, banana. Yung 6 pesos mo guys, 6 pesos. Alam nga, di na ako.